Hello from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Ford Focus here on a 2013-2014 plate. Just under tyres on this and the pressures. But I'll show you where the tyre sizes are. Right here, you've got all the sizes. The one that's on here is 215/50/17, and it's only him in the car, so I've put 2.1 and 2.1 in the back, which is 31 psi and 31 psi in the back. Now to reset it, it's quite a simple procedure. It's right there. You can see the pressure warning light, which is on the right hand side. To get to the functions, all you do is start the car up. It's a keyless entry. Make sure you're in neutral. You start the car up, and then you've got function buttons right here. So all you then do is press left, as you can see in the display right there. Then scroll down to settings, press OK, or you can press right. Then go down to driver and stay on driver assist, press right or press OK. You get down to deflate tires detect, press OK, and then it says hold OK to store tire pressure. That's done. Let go of the button. You press back again, and just to confirm, back again as well. So maybe information, just go into information, switch the ignition off, go out, and then start the car up again. Press the clutch, start the car up, and on the right hand side, as you'd see, that symbol's gone. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If this is something that you've got and you've got this tire pressure warning issue, you can reset it this way, and I'll have this in the playlist as well for Ford and the tire pressures. And if there's anything else you need to know, drop us a message in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. And yeah, thank you, goodbye.